Hello everyone, in this video we will analyze the put option contract. First of all, the put option contract grants the holder the right to sell a specific currency for a specific amount at a specific price and normally called exercise price or strike price within a specific period of time applied to American option. So remember that if it is a put contract, it means it gives the right to sell, right? So let's look at the put option from the buyer perspective. The contract we're looking at is the pound put option. The strike price is $1.4 per pound. Premium is $0.012 per pound. Contract size is 31,250. What does this mean with all those information? It means that when the buyer pays the premium, the buyer becomes the owner of the put option contract and it has the right to sell pound for $1.4 per unit of pound. Okay, and similar to the call option contract, okay, we will analyze the profit or loss under different scenarios. Before doing the math, I have to remind you that first of all, for buyer, premium is always cash outflow or cost. Second, you always have to answer the question whether this option contract is exercised or not. Now, after that, you can do the math. So, first of all, under this scenario, okay, so always for buyer, we put premium as a cost, which is negative 0.012. Next, we have to answer the question, will the option be exercised? So think about that. In the market, 1 pound is 1.3. Now you have the right to put, in other words, you have the right to sell pound for 1.4. So is it good for you to exercise? If you exercise, you can sell pound and get 1.4. Clearly, it is a good deal, right? So you will sell pound according to the option contract. So how to calculate the profit or loss? You can imagine it this way. In order to get pound to deliver to the option seller, you have to buy pound in the market and you pay 1.3, and therefore 1.3 market price will be your cost. Now, once you pay and you get pound, you deliver it to the option seller. How much he pay you? He will pay you the strike price of 1.4. So therefore, the strike price of 1.4 will be your revenue, right? Cash inflow. Adding those numbers up, you will find the total profit or loss. And in this case, total profit is 8.8 cents. Sorry. 8.8 cents, right? And yes, you can easily get the total profit or loss per contract by multiply that amount with the size of the contract of 3250. Okay. Now again, is that 8.8 cents is small? Clearly no. Think about that. Your investment is about what, 1.2 cents, and your profit is 8.8 cents. So in terms of percent, it will be huge. Okay. Let's look at the other two situations before we look at the second one. Now, when the expiration date spot rate equal to the strike price, what will happen? First of all, the cost for you is always premium. Second, will you exercise or not? In this case, exercise or not doesn't make any difference, right? If you buy in the market, you pay 1.4. If you sell to market, you get 1.4. If you sell according to the contract, you also get 1.4. So basically no different here. So your total loss will be premium. And clearly the total loss for the contract will be premium times 31 to 50. Okay. Now what if in the last situation, you have the spot rate at expiration date turn out to be 1.45. Will you sell in the market to get 1.45 or exercise the option and sell to get only 1.40? It is a no-brainer question. Clearly, you will not exercise. And therefore, your total loss is your premium. Right? And yes, you can easily copy this and put it down, and it is the total loss per contract. Now, the most controversial situation is right here. What do you think? What if the spot rate at the expiration date turned out to be 1.90? Okay? What do you think? In this case, you still have to exercise. Okay? Why? Because by exercise the option, you sell 1.4, you get 1.4. Right? In the market, you only get like 1.9. So even though the difference is small, exercise always help you to recover your investment, which is your premium. So in this case, premium is always the cost. Okay? Now, when you exercise, you have to buy in the market and pay $1.39 per pound. Once you get the pound in your hand, you sell it according to the option. You exercise the option. So the option contract seller will pay you 1.4, right? So the 1.4 will be your revenue. And when you add all those three numbers up, what will happen? Okay. Your loss now is 0.2 cent. Okay. Negative 0.002. So you can see that if you don't exercise, here is your total loss. Now, if you exercise, yes, you still suffer from the loss of 0.2 cent, but at least you can recover what? The majority of your investment, right? Yep. So if you multiply this with 31 to 50, here we go. You have the total profit for the whole contract. If you do 2 or 3 contracts, of course, you will multiply this number with the number of the contract you buy, right? Okay, I hope it helps. Thank you.